Dictionary is a data collection data type that stores the value in key value pair. Many a times we have to confirm whether the key exists or not. Sometimes we even have to check the number of elements in the dictionary. Hello everyone, welcome to Python session. And in today's session, we will study how to check whether the key exists in the dictionary and even count the dictionary's length. And at last, we will see how to declare a dictionary using a shortcut. So, suppose we have a dictionary person with keys, name, age, height and gender with respective values. Suppose you want to check whether the key education exists in the dictionary or not. For this, we will write flag equal to education, then in keyword and then our dictionary person. In the following line, print the flag variable. Run the code. Well, you got the output false. The reason is simple. The key education does not exist in the dictionary. We can also write the above statement directly inside the print statement without using the flag variable. Run the code. Well, we got the same output. Instead of education, if you write age, then the output will be true. Run the code. See, you got the output true. Instead of in operator, we can even use not in operator. It will work exactly the opposite of in. Just write print and inside print write education not in person. Run the code. Well, you got the output true because the not in operator checks if the element doesn't exist. So, education doesn't exist in the dictionary person. Hence, we got the output true. Many students get confused with the in and not in operator. But if you practice few examples, it will be easy to understand. Well, this was about in and not in operator. Now, we will study the length function in dictionary. Length function gives the count of elements in the dictionary. I mean the count of key value pairs. Consider our dictionary keys, name, age, height, gender with respective values. Then print statement and inside print call the function length and in bracket pass the parameter person. Run the code. Well, we got the output 4 because we have 4 key value pairs in the dictionary. Now we will study how to declare the dictionary using for loop. Suppose you want to store the number and the square root till 20 in a dictionary or maybe 100. Declaring such a big dictionary is not possible. We'll do that using for loop. Just import a math function like this. Then declare an empty dictionary. We will write sqrt underscore values equal to dict followed by bracket. Well, this is how we can declare an empty dictionary. Then write a for loop with is counter and range as 1 to 21. Inside the indent of for loop, write sqrt underscore values and in square bracket write the counter I. And then assign the value of square root like this. I hope you remember the sqrt function that we learned a while ago. Then print the dictionary sqrt underscore values. Run the code. You see, we got a dictionary with number as the key and its square root as the value. Well, this was simple, but using 3 lines just to declare a dictionary doesn't sound good. To reduce this code, we have dictionary comprehension. Let's see how to reduce this for loop code to a single line. Declare an empty dictionary. Write sqrt underscore values, then assign to operators, then curly brackets. Inside curly brackets, I colon math dot sqrt, then pass the value I to the sqrt function. After that, write the for loop syntax with is counter and range as 1 to 21. In the next line, print the sqrt underscore values variable. Run the code. Well, we got the expected output. We can write many complicated logics using dictionary comprehension. We will learn them as we move to further session. Till then, please keep practicing. All the practice examples are available in this URL. Thanks for watching.